very fortunate at our school. We have a lot of opportunities where our business academy and engineering connect with public service as well because it still goes out with the community. And I'm in our radio and TV program, and that connects with public service as well because we record for our community. So I'm just very fortunate to connect those two together.
There's so many different things that we get to learn in the Public Service Academy. Education, civic arts, law enforcement, and agriculture science. If you're wanting to do anything with agriculture, the public service is the place to go because that's what we're learning about. And that's why I'm glad I chose the Public Service Academy because I feel like it made me more prepared for everything that I need to know for the future.
It gives us opportunities to try out like different areas. We have 2 trips that we can go out to see if we like the job area that we had picked, and if not, we can switch to a different area to see if we like that area as well. I have learned my personal aspects, I should say, because I learned that some of the stuff in the public service area I would not do myself because I know my boundaries now on what I can and can't do in the area.
Everyone thinks that they have a good idea of what they want to do, right? And I think that's what's important is confidence. And the Public Service Academy has built up confidence in me through the courses that I have taken. I started out, unsure. I took, the step forward. I entered the Public Service Academy. I challenged myself with the courses that it had to offer, and I feel like I'm prepared now. I feel like I have what it takes to, pursue whatever I want to pursue.
It can be a little stressful coming in your freshman year trying to figure out what you want to do, and public service definitely gives you the rundown of all things in the community. And if you really don't know what you want to do, try this out and it will help you find out your passion for your career.